Fazil. I'm grateful. I study at SDN Tulung. My passion too. There is my cat. Echan run very fast. Echan jump over the chair. Echan can tie the bell. Put Echan the tree. Echan track. Like me, Echan bird. Bye bye.